Oh yeah, we finally received the 60,000 subscribers. So we're going to do a chit-chatting and we are going to do a giveaway. Especially for you, the Wicked family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. In this video, I wanted to talk about the 60,000 subscribers. Because I just wanted to make this personal video to thank you all for subscribing to the channel, becoming one of the Wicked family. It means a lot to me. So to begin with, I just want to also shout out to all those people who are leaving a comment every single day. Even if it's a thumbs up, or it's just a comment or a funny comment or a wicked comment, doesn't even matter. You take the time to watch my video and also place a comment. And for the people who don't leave a comment, don't forget to place a comment, because I don't know who is watching. And I just want to say thank you for subscribing, helping me out. And in this video I want to do something back. It's just a minor thing. I can't give everybody to my Wicked family something. So I just wanted to do this minor giveaway just to help you out, guys. So make somebody happy. Just want to give away a Game Boy. I have still on some of these Game Boys laying around with an IPS 2.0 from Funny Playing. I'm going to give away one of these Game Boys. I'm not going to tell you which one, because that's going to be the surprise. For this giveaway, if you want to enter this, what you can do is very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell and drop a comment here under the video. And if you do this, you will enter this giveaway and you have the opportunity to win yourself a Game Boy GBA. But there is something else that will help you out. So in upcoming videos, I will, let's say, upload some game related stuff or Game Boy related stuff. And in this videos, I'm just going to check out in my Wicked Predator mode who is going to be active. Who's going to be active in the comment section. I'm just going to pick somebody out. I'm going to send this person a Game Boy and I hope I can make you very happy. So yeah, that's all. And I want to thank you again for subscribing to the channel, because it means a lot to me. Being here on YouTube is one of the, the life-changing things I've done, and it's so much fun to be here. It's great on YouTube and grinding like crazy, uploading videos, because I love it so much. I want to thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video. You know what? I'm doing this for an hour or so I did quite some different bloopers. So, oh yeah, roll the bloopers. Okay, let's see if I can sit in the right position. Oh man, I need to do my hair. I'm not shaving myself for the temple. Subscribe to the channel. Become one of the Wicked family, you know. I always like to talk like Mario, you know it, like Mario. Yes, let's go, subscribe to the button, you know, you touch it with your freaking face. Okay, subscriber giveaway. Yeah, and I just want to give this very big